What's up, guys? This is Zach with BitcoinLockup.com coming at you again with another unboxing video. And in today's video, we are looking at the Ellipal Mnemonic Metal Recovery Seed Tablet. You can get this down below for the next 24 hours. If you order this with the link below, you'll get this for free, and you can get it free with the Ellipal Titan for $149 on discount, so make sure to check it out. If you don't get this in the next 24 hours, you can get this for $49.99. And this is a metal recovery seed tablet, so just in case you don't know what that is, basically I shouldn't say every, but most hardware wallets come with a 12, 18, or 24 word seed recovery phrase, and you write it down on a piece of paper. But you have to be concerned about what if that paper gets destroyed, if it gets lost, if your house has a fire or a flood. You want to make sure to protect that, because that's the backup to your backup to all of your crypto. So what this device is designed to do is withstand any sort of fire, any sort of water, shock, things like that. So this will withstand any natural disaster, and basically what it will do is ensure that your backup to your crypto wallet is always secure, and you can recover it to any BIP39 compatible wallet, whether it be hardware or software. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the unboxing here. See what we have here. I did a video, which I'll link down below, on a previous one with the Kobo tablet. So let's see how this one compares to that. Pretty nice presentation. This is coming from Ellipal, the mnemonic tablet instruction. It just gives you instructions on how to use the tiles and then unscrew it, and then basically just slide in the tiles. Pretty simple here. So as I pull this out and take a look, the quality here, I'm not sure if this is stainless steel or if it's titanium, but the quality feels really nice. It has a little pin enclosure here, so you can cover it, or you can use a little padlock and secure it if you're concerned about it. But basically what happens here is the tiny screws and the tiles here are basically allowing you to pull this up, put in the first 4 letters, which is all you need for your recovery seed phrase, and then that will allow you to put in all 24 words in this enclosure. So this is pretty nice, pretty simple. You just have to unscrew one part of it and then clamp it back once it's securely in there. Taking a look at here, it looks like you're gonna have all of your letters that you're gonna need, and basically it's really simple. Once you take off the plastic here, you just have to pop off the little tiles, so they're all ready to go. And you're gonna have enough tiles and enough letters for any combination that you can possibly think of. So it comes with everything that you need right here. And then as far as everything that you need for what comes in the box here, comes with this little screwdriver as well for you to undo these little screws. And I'll do another video later showing a full demo on how to actually set this up. But it's pretty straightforward, pretty self-explanatory. Basically, you just want to ensure that your recovery seed, first 4 letters on each word, are backed up securely, and you can go ahead and do that with this device here. So it's going to withstand any natural disaster, any event, and you want to make sure that you store this in a different place than your actual hardware wallet, just in case something happens. So quality on this is really nice. I'm going to do a full demo in the next video, and we'll compare it to the Kobo tablet as well. So I think that's going to be it for this video. Just wanted to show you what comes with it, and as far as the quality, it feels really sturdy, really nice. In the next video, I'll undo this and pop out the tiles and show you how easy that is. But that's going to be it for today's video. Crypto Renegade out.